Part of taking an idea from prototype to commercialization means testing the product. Northern Arizona provides the perfect proving ground for an outdoor gear company whose owner revolutionized the industry.
In 1993, when I was 22 years old, I slid down a steep gully coming back from a rock climb in the Dolomites. We were rock climbing, so we didn't have ice climbing equipment. I started down the gully and it was very late. It would refrozen in places and I hit a frozen spot and slipped and slid hundreds of feet into the dark head first.
Seconds were like minutes as Danny Giovanni desperately tried to slow himself down. He finally stopped when he hit a rock wall with his helmet and his backpack. He was conscious and unbroken.
It was a miracle.
It was that close call that got Danny on track to climb to the next summit.
I started thinking, there's got to be a product out there that we can use for this. And as I started researching the market, I realized that there's a gap between pedestrian-type traction and ice climbing crampons. And I saw that as an opportunity to develop a product.
So Danny turned his garage into a laboratory.
And realized quickly there was some big design challenges to make something flex but not break, to make something work and stay snug on your foot while it's flexing.
Design after design, Danny retooled his idea.
Dozens of prototypes later, I came up with a Kahtoola traction system.
That product innovation launched the Kahtoola company in 2001. They now make two more winter gear products, micro spikes and snowshoes.
These are not your snowshoes that are hanging over the fireplace in the cabin. These are all high-tech materials, aircraft-grade aluminum, which is very lightweight and strong. The decking is very lightweight and durable. And the click-in component that we have allows you to be able to hike with traction or snowshoes.
That click-in system is what separates Kahtoola from other snowshoes. But what may seem simple and low-tech is anything but. Kahtoola kicks it up a few notches, combining high-tech with hands-on expertise. After the designs and schematics are created in the CAD program, a little elbow grease is needed.
So the process of making snowshoes starts with bending the tubes for the frame. As you can see, it is human-powered, but it has all the settings in it for the proper bends and stops. Voila, here's a snowshoe frame.
The decking for the snowshoe frame is made with the die cutter.
Once we have all this decking cut out, a manual kick press where we insert the rivet through the holes, assemble the components onto the decking.
Every product is then put to the test.
We have 12,000-foot peaks right here out our front door.
And it's never hard to find a willing volunteer on staff to prove their product.
Kahtoola means directly in Tibetan, and our products help you get directly where you're going.
Kahtoola also gives back directly to the Tibetan people by donating 1% of sales to help preserve Tibetan and other mountain cultures. As Kahtoola gives back, so does Arizona, helping the company climb even higher.
Our products are sold primarily in North America and now expanding into Europe and even South America, New Zealand, and Australia. Where we got a lot of help was through the Arizona Commerce Authority. When we came to looking at Europe, we got a STEP grant that helped us offset our costs for expanding in Europe.
Made and tested in Arizona, Kahtoola is moving directly to the top.